Right, hello and welcome to this walk around video. We've got a Fiat DUCATO on the 61 plate. It's done 68,000 miles, warranted. It's the 160 brake horsepower, which indeed means it's a 3-litre chain-driven engine. It's a tidy vehicle. Now we are sending a lot of vehicles here at the minute to Ukraine, so we may need to remove the lift, so just factor in that we will probably be removing the lift out the back of this vehicle. Engine sounds sweet. Anyway, why is it a spares and repair project? It has an intermittent immobiliser fault, which means that when you come to it, just next to the engine management light here, that key signal will appear and the vehicle will not start. There are a few warning lights on the dash. We've got the ABS light on and the engine management light. We've tested items such as the diesel heater, the lighting control units and that sort of stuff. And this appears to be working fine. So just raising the air suspension there. I'll just come over and I will lower it as well. So as you can see, this all seems to be working fine. There's no passenger seat in it. Of course you could, if you were thinking of converting it to a camper van, remove this and put a seat in. Looks like the heater resistor's gone. Everything else on it seems to be functional. Right, what I'll do is I'll just drive it down here, just to show you that it does drive forward. Take the handbrake off first. Oops. As you can see, it goes forward and backwards, and that's as far as we've tested it. So just knock that back in. Central locking seems to work. Quite like the door because it's mechanical, less to go wrong, but it's a nice clean vehicle. So a quick look under the bonnet. Oops. Also worth noting, it's a 4.5 ton gross weight. So in conclusion, it's a nice low mileage vehicle. We can't decipher what's wrong with it, we haven't plugged it in. We're selling it as a spares or repair project. I think it's reasonably good value at the price that we've submitted it at. Hopefully this has covered all corners of your inquiries. Go up here and just turn these lights on and show you a few things. Night lights. bit of blue. Here's some of the dimensions. So yeah, in conclusion, I hope this is informative, and I hope someone buys the vehicle. Thank you.